That's awkward. Okay, we're gonna start again, because that was not good. We're gonna sing a different song. No, we're gonna sing that one song. You took away my hummus. I thought you were finished with it.
You moved from it.
This is breaking my heart. I wish you would stay, but she's taking my place, and I'm losing you. I'm losing you. And go.
Wow. Killed it. Your heart just melted. Oh. Look, there's a baby. Oh. He wants it. He wants to love you.
You don't want to get right now.
Why do you want us to do so many push-ups?
Do 10 push-ups?
But I don't want to.
No, these are my
boy,
donuts.
Hey, boy, come here.
These are the best donuts ever. I love how you guys are just doing strange little things people suggest on the internet.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna fight.
So did you prank call Peyton? No. We should. We should prank call him. Do you think
Oh,
he's
we
awake?
just saw him like 30 minutes ago. Are they allowed to know that?
Yeah.
Okay.
But,
No, well, no. She might be still driving.
oh, it's not that
He's
far.
like the lion.
Slippers, though.
He's like
Everybody loves my slippers. Yes.
Oh, so I'm a girl, I'm not your son. You just want the hummus.
That's very true. Okay, here we go. Here's hummus on a carrot. I'm gonna do it, okay? So it doesn't necessarily mean I have to do it one-handed, okay? Okay? I'm eating it. I'm gonna put it.
Wow. She has so many talents. I can't. Oh, you want the cat voice? Okay. We have to find a cat.
Where's Cat? Cookie.
He's on the. He's.
I wanted to make a cat video, but this cat was sleeping. Why'd you do that, cat? Cat?
Kind of, I'd say semi-famous, frozen yogurt player. How do you like the Islander cast? Basically, we always eat lunch together, and we spend every day.
Piper's watching a video.
Natalie took a video of this. Hi, Natalie.
I love this game so much. The Elder Scrolls.